Hey guys, Angie Perry with Women's Outdoor News, and I have Heidi here from
We Won Tactical.
We Won Tactical, and I am really excited about this. And so I'm just going to give it over to you. You tell me, what is this little awesomeness?
So this is the We Won Tactical. It's called, this model is the JR15. So it is 80% smaller.
Oh, it's so little.
And it comes in at 2.5 pounds. So this is my brother's brain trust. So my brother and I are partners in the company. We've been in AR manufacturing for a long time with our main company, Schmid Tool.
Too long rifle meant for youth shooters to teach them the fundamentals of firearms as well as safety. The thing that drove this was currently with the models that are out there, they're very heavy. Kids have a hard time handling them. So being as light as it is at 2.2 pounds or 2.6 pounds for the suppressed version, very easy for them to handle it. Comes with 1 round and 5 rounds, so you can teach them the fundamentals with just 1 round and get comfortable with that before you put the 5-round mag in there with them. Standard accessories, so standard Picatinny rail to put whatever accessories you already have in the drawer on the gun. It's all manufactured and assembled in US of A.
Sweet.
Yep. Yeah.
So has it been tested with little ones, and what's their
Yep, absolutely.
response?
So yes, we've tested it with family members, my nieces. They can't do the safety mechanism. The design, the patent does exactly what it's supposed to do. They can't override it, but they can actually, when we unlock that for them, they can use it and they can put rounds on steel.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
What is your name?
My name is Eric.
Eric, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Eric.
you. Thank you.
Sweet.
We had a couple of women at range day yesterday that just ate it up. They loved it. It was sized right, the weight is right, the entire platform is perfect for introduction for multiple uses for people.
Yeah,
And the safety, you did.
I
Okay.
shot it yesterday, yes.
Very good.
It was
Perfect.
very
Perfect.
It's going to work and operate just the same as an AR. The only difference here is we have our safety lock on that one. So how it works right now, it's locked on safe and I can't move from safe to fire. To be able to do that, you're going to take on this knob, pull it up, and then counterclockwise to fire, and then you can shoot from there.
Nice.
And every time it goes into safe, it's back on lock again. So you have to unlock it again to put it into safe.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep, so I got you set up for a 5-round magazine.
Oh, it's so little. I'm stuck on my wire. All right, so this I need
So
to.
you're going to pull it out, and then 90 degrees. Yep, just like that. You're ready to go.
Sweet. And it's on fire already, right? Yep. Oh, it's so little. That's perfect. That is so cool. And then just,
No, it's nothing.
already back
Once
on.
it goes on safe,
it's
locked.
like auto. That's so cool.
Yeah. Well, we're building our first 1,000 guns right now. They'll be available through our distributors in March, and we'll be ramping from there with our production. So we're excited to get out in the market, and there's been a huge amount of interest in it for
The next generation.
Next generation.
Really, we got to keep it going, guys.
yes,
We really do.
very important. And safety, safety, safety. That's our motto. So
Heidi, thank you
thank
so
you.
much. It's very nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you.
That's it for today, guys. I'm Angie Perry with Women's Outdoor News. This is Heidi with We Won Tactical. Let's see you next time.
Thank you.